Will I lose all my matches and conversations if I restore my Facebook dating profile?
Hey there! It seems like you're thinking about taking a break from Facebook dating and you're curious about what happens to your matches and conversations when you return. It's a common question, and today we're going to give you a comprehensive answer. Remember, the information you get depends on Facebook's policy and feature set as of our last update in September 2021.
What is Facebook dating?
Facebook dating is a feature within the Facebook app that allows users to meet and interact with others interested in dating. The important thing to note here is that your Facebook dating profile is separate from your main Facebook profile. You have separate matches, conversations, and preferences there.
What happens when you pause your Facebook dating profile?
Pausing your Facebook dating profile is not the same as deleting it. If you pause your profile, it becomes invisible to other users, but all your data, matches, conversations, and preferences are preserved. When you decide to return, you can simply unpause your profile and everything is right where you left it.
What happens when you delete and restore your Facebook dating profile?
Now, what if you decide to delete your Facebook dating profile? This is where things get a bit tricky. As of our last update, if you delete your Facebook dating profile, you will lose all your matches and conversations. What about if you decide to come back and create a new profile? Well, when you create a new profile after deleting your old one, you're essentially starting from scratch. So, yes, you would lose your matches and conversations if you deleted and then restored your Facebook dating profile. To wrap things up, it's crucial to differentiate between pausing and deleting your Facebook dating profile. Pausing will keep all your data safe for when you're ready to return, while deleting erases all your matches and conversations. We hope this video has been helpful in addressing your concerns. As always, we recommend checking Facebook's latest policies and help center articles for the most current information. Happy dating!